Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. Jet too hot.
Hey dolls, it's Kenny here and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, hey girl. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you know when I'm dropping another video. So y'all, this looks like hella formal, but this is very informal, okay? Y'all, I was getting ready to just get on live and do my PR boxes, and I was like, I might as well get on here and show you guys exactly what I do. This is a regular ass work day, you know what I'm saying? So I know that, you know, there's girl bosses out there that want to, you know, get influencers and do PR boxes and unsure where to start. So I figured I would get on and show y'all. So if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. Okay dolls, real quick, I was getting ready to kind of set up my station and stuff to set up the PR boxes, but I forgot to tell y'all I kind of changed the room around. So I want to show y'all real quick what it's looking like. So y'all, this is pretty much what my sewing area is looking like, and please excuse the lighting because the sun is going down right now. And this is where I have like my canvas heads, and there's some storage and everything here. Here's my flower wall. I'm still working on it because I'm waiting for some panels to come in. I got some wig heads here. I got a wig here that I have to go ahead and ship out for a customer, and I have my my desk area over here where I pack orders, answer emails, all that good stuff. And then I have like a little thinking station over here, just to do a little thinking, honey. And y'all, this is pretty much my packing area. I got products and stuff like that. But if you guys want to go ahead and see a room tour, then go ahead and drop me a comment below. But you guys, let me go ahead and get y'all set up so we can get right into these PR packages.
Rank drop, you know, rank drop. Yo, rich nigga, rank drop. You know, so we really never got no old money. Rank drop. Rank got a whole lot of new money though. Rank drop. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Rank drop. Rank drop. Rank. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Rank. We came from nothing to something, nigga. We came from nothing to something, nigga. We came from nothing to something, nigga. We came from nothing to something, nigga.
Okay y'all, so I got on Instagram real quick so that I can like post my promotion for my wig sale, and that's why it's so important to build like an email marketing list, because Instagram was down today. Today is the 4th and my wig sale goes into the 5th. It's the 1st through the 5th of every month. And so baby, what if I did not have like other avenues of promoting my business? Like I would be like shit out of luck, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going on right now to post because it seems like it's working, but I would just be kind of mad about that. So if you guys are interested on how to build your email marketing list, then go ahead and drop me a comment below. So right now I'm just going to go into my email, and I have an email set up specifically for influencers, collabs that I do with influencers. So I'm going to go in and just confirm their orders before I place them on my Shopify website, and I don't charge them or anything. I just see what they want to promote within the realm of what I want to promote, and then go ahead and place their order so that I can then pack their order. So what I did to even reach my influencers is I made a TikTok, and I made a TikTok that was already kind of viral, but I made it business and I made it my own. So I wanted to make sure that I kind of reached more people, and without me just going through and looking at Instagram profiles, because sometimes you may miss them just based off of the algorithm. So I went ahead and did a PR search basically. So after all the influencers pretty much did their entry, I made sure that they actually followed the rules, because that is part of influencing. You want to make sure that you actually follow the rules of whoever brand you're representing. So I made sure that all the girls were following the rules. So the girls that weren't following the rules were automatically disqualified. So then I checked for picture quality, because that's super important. If someone is displaying your product, you want to make sure that the picture quality is like top notch. You don't have to have the best phone, but you want to make sure you're cleaning your lens and doing all those things before actually taking your photos. So the next thing was basically finding influencers that content matched my brand. So for instance, if you have just candles on your Instagram feed, well, candles doesn't match my brand, so I won't be more inclined to pick you, because I know it won't showcase the content that I'm trying to promote. And so it didn't matter how big your page is, because I don't care about that. If you are enthusiastic, if you take, you know, really great pictures, if you love what you do as a content creator and you are consistently posting, then that's what my followers want to see. You know, once you understand what your community needs, then those are the type of people that you want to attract with your brand influencers, and also seeing how their community is engaged in their posts. And that's another thing, seeing how often your influencers post. Now, if you post every couple months, that wouldn't necessarily be in line with my brand, because my followers like to make sure that they're engaged with the content. They want to see what's new, what I'm doing next, what the Barb Life is putting out soon. So it's just one of those things that I want to make sure my influencers emulate my brand in some way. And so posting every couple months, the engagement is not there enough. So I just knew that someone that wasn't posting as often, it just wouldn't align with my brand. Those are just a few things that I looked into when I was picking influencers. So next, after I selected the influencers, I went ahead and just posted and let everybody know these are the people that I selected. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't select everybody because it was hella entries. It was like over 100 and some comments underneath that post. So I wish I could have picked everybody, but unfortunately I couldn't. So that's why I knew I was going to do like a second PR search so I can include some of those girls. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. My phone just died, or my camera just died. So what I asked them to do next was just DM me their email address. So that way I can reach out to them and we could communicate, because DM just doesn't work as far as like business for me. And personally, I think it's a good starting point, but you should always move them from from DM to email. Basically, y'all, I just said, these are the products that I want to promote, and are you interested? And if you all need like a template on like reaching out to influencers via email and things of that nature, I'll go ahead and leave a link to that below. And so I waited for the responses, and it takes me a little bit longer to get back to influencers because I'm also carrying on daily business from my other business, and also I'm an influencer, so I also have that business as well. So I would say it took me probably about a week once I went ahead and responded to all of those and got their shipping addresses. At this point, we are now ready to place their order and ship it out. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and print off the emails. Then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I mark them as free or as promo on my Shopify website, if you have a Shopify website, and then we'll just go from there. Now that we have our information in, I'm going to add the products that we will be promoting. So she agreed to promote the lace melt spray, and also the ultimate lace melt band. Okay, so those things came up to $24.98. So I am going to go in and add the shipping, which will probably, or not probably, we'll ship priority. I always ship priority when it comes to PR packages. And then now we have to add the discount, because of course she's not going to pay $34.98 for it. So I'm going to put in the discount for $34.98. Now all of this should be part of your PR budget. So you want to make sure you're assessing that and making sure that all of your PR fits within your budget. So as for the reason, I'm just gonna put September PR influencer. Why didn't it take it off for shipping? Okay, so never mind. I tried to do it different, y'all. So never mind. We'll just do free shipping on this one and press done. Okay, perfect. So let me change the discount value to $24.98. Okay, and so it's still at 0. So what I'm going to do now that we have all the information, I'm going to click collect payment, but it's 0. So you won't be collecting anything. So at this point, you're just gonna hit mark as paid. And it'll say this will create a free order, no payment is required, and you're gonna create the order. Now I'm just gonna go through, like I said, for each one and start creating these orders, and then we're gonna ship them all at the same time. So I'm waiting for a few of my other influencers to get back to me, but in the meantime, in between time, I'm just gonna send out these 8. So y'all, I love personal touches to PR packages. I know as an influencer I love them, so I did go ahead and make these, and if you all want to see how I made them, just drop me a comment below. So I'm just gonna cut these up real quick, get them ready, and then put them together so that I can put them in the PR packages. Okay, y'all, so it is day number 2. Y'all, I think that's FedEx with my packages. Yay! Y'all, I've been waiting on these freaking packages. I got my poly mailers, and then some ink, but whatever, y'all. So it's day number 2 because yesterday I was trying to print off the order pages for the packing slips for the influencers, but something was going on with my printer and acting real little janky, but it's cool though. So today I'm just gonna print those off real quick, then we're gonna set up and pretty much get these PR boxes done, y'all. We not waiting no longer, so let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I already have like everything printed off now, finally. And I got these boxes off of Amazon, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I leave the link below. Let me fix this camera because I'm trying to figure out why I'm putting it down like this. Okay, y'all, so this is much better. So y'all, I am going to just take these boxes out and start putting them together. I am gonna go ahead and throw some stickers on here. I had some stickers that I originally had for my wig boxes, I'm gonna say maybe like a year ago that I purchased, but because I changed packaging, I no longer needed the stickers. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the stickers on here. That way I can use them, I'm not wasting product, and then you're also branding your packaging as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put these together and then also add the stickers. So dolls, these are these are the stickers that I have, and I figure I'll just go ahead and use these. I have clear stickers, but I think the white will show up on these better. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move this out the way so y'all can see. And I'm going to put this sticker right in the middle. And y'all do keep in mind, whenever you're sending something out, you know, just try to make sure it has your branding on it in some shape, form, or fashion, because you want people to identify where they got it from so they can come back and shop with you, boo. So I like to do, oh, this sticker a little crooked, but this is kind of like a demo box. So what I'm gonna do is just put this sticker on here, or just put the stickers on all of the boxes, and then just kind of go from there.
We came from nothing to something, nigga. We came from nothing to something, nigga. We came from nothing to something, nigga.
Okay, y'all, so we got everything set up. We have their packing slip. We got the boxes together. So now I'm just gonna start getting the actual items, putting them in front, and then also I'm going to start putting the PR envelopes together, like I said, just to personalize it.
Bitch, I'm a dog. Yeah, that way, 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 that way. Bitch, I'm a dog. Yeah, that way, 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 that way. Bitch, I'm a dog. Yeah, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way.
So I have finally finished like getting all the products together and making sure everything correspond with the packing slip. So I also put their cards or their personalized PR cards on here as well, so that I know it'll be quick and easy for me to go ahead and just pack this. So now that we got this all done, honey, now we about to go ahead and start shipping the orders.
Fucking on your bitch, shit, dot, dot, dot. Fucking on your bitch, shit, dot, dot, dot. Fucking on your bitch, shit, dot. Fucking on your bitch, shit, dot, dot, dot. Fucking on your bitch, shit, dot. Fucking on your bitch, shit, dot, dot, dot. Drop top, raindrop, raindrop. We came from nothing to something. Raindrop, drop top, raindrop, raindrop. Drop top on your bitch, shit, raindrop, drop, raindrop, drop, raindrop, drop, rain on your bitch, shit, raindrop, drop, raindrop, drop, 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 drop. Young rich niggas, drop, 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 top, drop, drop, drop. Raindrop, drop, 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 drop top, drop, drop, drop. Raindrop, drop, 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 drop top, drop, drop, drop. Raindrop, drop, 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 drop top, drop, drop, drop. We came from Jersey. We came from nothing to something, nigga. We came from nothing to something, nigga. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Trust me on that shit. Raindrop, drop top, raindrop, drop top, raindrop. We came from nothing to something, raindrop. We came from nothing to something, raindrop, drop top, raindrop, drop top. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Bad news, bad news, bad news. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Bitch, I'm a dog. Yeah, that way, 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 that way. Bitch, I'm a dog.
Okay, y'all, so I got these all packed up and they're ready to go to the post office. So we're pretty much done. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them below. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next one. Later.